I am very much pleased to have this opportunity to speak about the ICCIT 2000 that was held at Northsouth University in January 25-26, 2001. I thank East West University for arranging to prepare a video of the past organizing chairs to speak about the past achievements of the research activities in Bangladesh. First, I would like to appreciate Dhaka University for initiating a conference on IT in Bangladesh as early as 1997. Then I thank Kuwait for making this event as the International IT Conference in 1998. It was remarkable that Shah Jalal University of Science and Technology, Sylhet, had the courage to hold the third ICCIT in 1999 in Sylhet. However, due to some unavoidable circumstances, the venue of the event was moved to Kuwait. Then came our turn to host the event in 2000, but the event was actually held in January 2001. We had a number of new things introduced in the conference: holding of a workshop on software engineering and testing, introducing a poster session, an exhibition of IT products by the IT-related companies, and a one-page newspaper supplement. We received 104 papers, and qualified reviewers who are mostly from abroad reviewed all of them. Only the best 51 papers were accepted for presentation in the regular session, and another 14 were accepted for display in the poster session. All accepted papers were published in the conference proceedings. We felt that the local talents should be introduced to the international IT professional community, and unanimously chose Dr. M. Kaitaba, Professor of Computer Science and Engineering, Kuwait, as one of the keynote speakers. The other three keynote speakers were Dr. M. A. Karim, Dean of Engineering, City University of New York; Dr. M. C. Devnath, Professor of Computer Science, Winona State University, USA; and Professor Shafiqur Rahman, Professor of Physics, Allegheny College, Pennsylvania, USA. Their talks were covered on the topics of algorithms, optical computing, software engineering and testing, and quantum computing respectively. The leading IT specialist, Professor Jamilur Reza Chaudhary, was the banquet speaker. It should be interesting to know why is ICT research important. ICT is a knowledge creating and packaging industry. The application of existing products similar to conventional manufacturing has little scope of value addition in ICT. Our youth have significant latent potential of creating new knowledge. Therefore, they should be trained in research methodology for creating new knowledge. This knowledge creation capability will enable them for innovating new products and incubating new ventures, creating high-paying jobs for emerging IT professionals. It is important to know how to train our students in ICT research methodology. Hands-on approach is the preferred method for training students in ICT. It is recommended that in order to solve local problems having global components, faculty members, researchers, and students should engage in developing state-of-the-art ICT solutions. Eventually, these solutions could be realized in the form of commercial products. To talk about the future of ICCIT, I would like to say that ICCIT is the forum for bringing local and international ICT experts to share expertise and to facilitate the cross-fertilization of new ideas in order to develop state-of-the-art ICT solutions. In such forums, our young researchers will get the opportunity to gather feedbacks from internationally acclaimed ICT experts. Therefore, ICCIT could be considered as the breeding ground of professional partnership development and new ICT solution development of local as well as global problems. Thank you very much.